Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 509 Shelford Road in Irondequoit.
This is an amazing arts and crafts style home updated to perfection.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This home is immaculate and in mint condition with all of yesteryear's charm and today's modern updates. Featuring an updated kitchen with gorgeous cabinetry, select stainless steel appliances, and an expansive breakfast bar. Open to the spacious dining room with beautiful hardwood floors, gumwood trim, crown molding, and a walk-in pantry. And a classic living room with a wall of windows, a gorgeous fireplace surrounded by built-ins with leaded glass and accent windows. The first floor also features an office or bonus room with a tongue-and-groove pine ceiling, a gorgeous leaded glass door, and sliding glass door to the deck. All with an adjacent updated full bathroom with a two-person jetted tub. A traditional formal foyer with spectacular character and charm leads to the upstairs with 3 spacious bedrooms and an updated full bathroom, including an expansive owner's bedroom highlighted with hardwood floors and gumwood trim, plus additional space and possibilities with a walk-up attic.
This home has exceptional arts and crafts style architecture with low maintenance vinyl siding and windows. Enjoy the outdoors and nature with this entertainment-sized deck, overlooking the beautiful landscaping and oversized 2 3/4 size garage, backing to the old trolley trail, great for peaceful walks. All with a premier Irondequoit location with sidewalks into the North Whitton Village and nearby Cobbs Hill Park, Irondequoit Bay, and Lake Ontario. What a great location!
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 509 Shelford Road in Irondequoit.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!